Hi guys, welcome back to the smoothie challenge for day 7. I will be sharing with you the ingredients for today. So we have ginger. If you can see here, we have dates. We have watermelon, and these are my berries. I decided to add pineapple because I just wanted a touch of pineapple in my smoothie today. Like I said, always use whatever you feel like, but this is like a guide. So the post I make is for a guide, so have an idea of what to use when you're making yours. Okay, and I'll be putting a little bit of chai seed, flax seed, and spirulina, of course, and then my lemon and almond milk. So I came across this in the store and I thought to try it. It says macro grains and it contains plant-based vitamins. So these plant-based vitamins are, it says here, I can't even read it, but anyways, it has a lot of natural products in it, and I'm just trying to read. Okay, I don't have my glasses on, so it's difficult to read, but anyways, it's all about the grains, maybe kale. So I saw kale, spinach, yeah. So I'll be adding there's a spoon inside, so I'll be adding like this spoonful in my smoothie. Okay, so let's begin. I'm sorry if my voice is not clear. I'm just waking up and I decided to shoot a video with my smoothie mix. Okay, so I'll be taking all of this into the cup. So if you notice, I grated my ginger so that it's able to blend in this blender. And this is for day 7. These are my berries. So I'm doing 1 teaspoon of chai seed and 1 teaspoon of flax seed. Then I'll be putting in my macro grains. Because of this cup, I'm just gonna make it a little bit. This cup is not too big. Spirulina powder. Okay, so 1 tablespoon of